I'll do that, I'll do.
And then just loosen them all, you'll put it into that one now and then.
Oh.
Next one, yeah. Fucking hot. So you've been driving the car, haven't you? Yeah. Look, see the face of it?
Yeah.
It barely.
Oh, right.
Look, on a normal one, it just connects straight away. But it's like the face of yes,
yeah.
barely nothing there for it to match.
Side of it, so how are you gonna get it?
No, we got it. Oh, that way. Where's the new one?
Yo, learn lesson here.
Indigo Production.
Welcome back to the video. So Ford Fiesta 1.4 VTEC, and we're gonna just change the spark plugs. Jeff, what do you think we have to do? We gotta pull the coil packs off.
Yeah, pull them
off. Pull that off. Look at that. Listen, easy, come on. Come on.
Still sounds like you in the morning, mate.
And then it's a 16 mil, and then you just loosen all them, Jeff. Go on, lad. That's it. Work on your own car, Jeff. Get in there.
Sweet, man. Well, that. Fucking broke it inside, yeah. Left.
Be careful. Yeah, it's loosening. That's it.
I'll do that, I'll do.
And then just loosen them all, you'll put it into that one now and then.
Oh.
Next one, yeah.
Aye. Have a flick of the wrist action there, so I'll be looking.
That's it, Jeff. You're learning there. Here she goes, me.
Oh shit, this one's gonna be a little bit of a back. Oh, no, he's not.
See how bad they are. When's the last time it got in?
Bro, I don't think the car's had a service, that's what I'm saying.
Never.
I don't think
8,000 miles, mate.
That's what I'm
Right,
saying.
loosen them all, Jeff.
Huh?
Keep doing, take this off now. Just like that. And then you just spin them like this. And then it'll loosen until it's fingered. Then we gonna get it, mate.
You having fun, Leslie? It's out. Just spin them more.
Yeah, this one needs spinning more.
That'll come out more.
Yeah, this you go, mate. Fucking hot. So you've been driving the car, haven't you?
Yeah. You've been driving, haven't
Normally
you?
when I do mine, they just stand there.
Oh yeah, shit, yeah.
Grab that with confidence, I did. Fucking hell.
That's like when you picked up that bull, bro. And just
Oh yeah,
burst
just
on the floor, boy, it popped.
Crazy, man.
Crazy, man. That should be alright, though.
Dun.
Oh. Well, I'm spin that shit for ages.
No, it's alright.
Oh.
There you go, mate. I think what it is because the face of it doesn't have the magnetic thing, so it doesn't really connect to it. Goddamn faggot, man.
Fuck, I ain't got it, yeah.
Oh, and you have to get in there, some shit.
Yeah, hang on it.
We waiting to the.
Where's that one not coming out?
No, I'll get it out.
Oh.
Keep spinning some.
I reckon that'll do the trick now. Yeah, it sounds like he's out.
Can't see a goddamn thing, man.
Hello, then.
Come on, just connect. No, that's still fucking in there. Yeah, I can't wiggle.
Alright.
There you go, Jeff, mate. On there.
Go half fast.
You little fucking knobhead. doesn't fucking connect.
Just lost his magnetic.
No, it's the face of it. It doesn't have. Get out. Piece of shit. I'll show you what I mean. Ah, lost it.
Stop thinking it hard. Don't sexualise this YouTube channel.
You fucking faggot.
How was your test?
My test.
No, you said you had a test, that's why you finished.
Yeah, that's why you finished late.
No, it was just a normal class.
Normal class, but we had no test, no. Get the tongue.
No. I'm showing you. See the face of it?
Yeah.
It barely.
Oh, right.
Look, on a normal one, it just connects straight away. But it's like the
lost
face of
its
yes,
finger, yeah.
barely nothing there for it to match.
Fucking slap.
You need to grab it with something else. Yeah, tongue. Yeah, tongue and. Yeah.
Yeah, come out with it.
Yeah.
Just gotta take the shades off. You piece of shit. Yeah.
I thought it was a Peugeot making that noise last week. What noise is that?
This goddamn.
This video has become longer than you'd
Yeah,
expected.
bro. What was the smallest things? Where's that thing?
Yeah.
Where's the spinning wheel?
I think you took it down there with you.
Alright, go on, Jeff. Try to get this one out. Here, Daddy. I'm trying.
Why?
Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, because these people might have the same problem.
Oh wait, what the fuck? Oh, it's like it's on its side right now. Look. Why is it like that?
Hey, because it fell.
Oh, no, what the fuck is it out there? Well, that ain't coming out. No, you can't get to the side of it, so how are you going to get it?
No, we got him. Get the fuck out of my way.
It's like it's falling.
Right now,
flat,
this
so
this one's falling on its ass.
That's what I'm saying, you won't fucking... You get tongue. Let's scoop that cut up.
You little bastard.
Operation
bro,
this.
fucking piece of shit.
I think I can do it. I think I can do it, mate.
Oh, we got him. Look at this one.
Oh.
He fell over. I pulled him out that way. Where's the new one?
You don't learn your lesson, do you?
Where's the new one?
More power, less fuel. We're going to be getting more fuel efficiency out of this bad boy shortly. Bosh.
Yeah. Oh, open him.
Bosh. Oh, got a bit of toilet roll over it.
There we go.
So what's the magnet like on this? Ah, it's a proper magnet, look.
No, same thing.
Minimise the rubbish made.
Get a thumbnail here so I just fall over on his arse.
Use the magnet and put it slowly.
Yeah, the magnet's shite.
No, but no, it's bright as new though, see if the magnet
Yeah.
works.
Yeah, same just like. Don't want it to fall. Yeah.
Should I do the ones?
That one's in.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's not in this arse.
Did you fall?
No. That's alright. Go, man. Well done. Let's see here now. Let's see here now. Alright, go left first, and then right, and then it'll catch it. Always go left, and then right. Let's see. This one just keeps spinning. I think this one's caught. There she goes. See that? That one's caught. The next one, go left first, then right. Yeah. That one's caught. Turn it over. Left first, then right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but you go left first so it doesn't cross-thread it. You make it left, so then it sits nicely, and then you go right. Because if you drop it in like that, you go right, you're feeding it in sideways. If you make it left, it sits upright, like it's about to come out, then you send it in straight. Yo, man's an engine, eh?
You know what? This is why YouTube, your explanations are on point.
Yeah, mate, beautiful I am.
Your English.
That's why you're here. It's Joe, because when Ibrahim used to record me, he always used to correct me in it when I used to make like a Sadiq don't know himself. So I'll say the totally wrong word, and then the comment section will be like, oh, like it's like you say it like this. But if Ibrahim was recording, it's like that's not how you say it. It's like this. I was like, oh, okay.
Start again.
Alright, so all these are now caught on there.
Tighten.
Yeah. Now what you want to do is just like with your two fingers, see how there's no more pressure here, just that little one, that's it. Not too much, because the thing is the thing that you're flipping things aluminium, that means the spark plug is going to thread your engine thingy. Shit, see, words, bro. That means this is going to damage your engine more than this is going to damage. The teeth on this are not going to break, okay? So if you see how that's one stopped, just a little, just like that. You don't want to keep on tightening it, otherwise it's going to keep on spinning, and then this will be perfectly fine when you pull it out, but all your teeth in there will be mashed and they'll be broken. And then
your car,
yeah, it's pretty much done. See how there's no more there, just a little one. There you go. This one is like that, just a little one. That's it. Go on, Jeff, put them back in. Where do you think they go, mate?
In order. It's actually in order, does it matter?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that one's first, isn't it? Yeah, that will go. Oh, mate. Alright. That'll go first. That'll be the second one.
Here we go, man.
Number 3.
Beautiful line.
Job done, mate. Job done.
Now just start the car. See if it starts. Flying through, mate. Closing. Oh. Okay, any engine warning lights? Nothing? Yeah, beautiful, mate. Go on. Right, so that's how you change the spark plugs on a 1.4 shit, what is it? Fiesta.
Z-Tech.
Z-Tech, yeah.
I'm a different kind of chick.